In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Apple Music upload stuck on cloud error. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable because Apple Music needs a continuous connection to upload files to the cloud. Then restart the app. Launch it, completely close it, and again relaunch it. Likewise, you can give a fresh restart to your device. Then confirm sync library is turned on. For that, launch settings, go to the option apps, find Apple Music and launch it. Here you're going to find the option of sync library. Make sure it is enabled. If the problem is happening on Windows, open iTunes or the Apple Music desktop app and go to File, then Library, Update Cloud Library. This forces the system to retry uploading stock songs and refresh the cloud index. Sometimes the issue is caused by specific music files, corrupted MP3s, unsupported formats, or very large files can fail to upload. Try removing the stock songs from your library and adding them back again. Also make sure your Apple ID subscription is active since cloud syncing stops if your plan is expired. If uploads are still stuck, sign out of your Apple ID on both your PC and iPhone. Restart both devices and sign back in to reset cloud authentication. You can also toggle sync library off and on again to rebuild the upload queue. As a final fix, updating your system and reinstalling the desktop music app can clear deeper cache or indexing issues that cause persistent cloud error problems. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.